Next, exercise 8.1, question number 8, 9, 10. Question number 8. If 3 cot A equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. We have to check this correct or not. Okay. Then already given 3 cot A equal to 4. That means cot A equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is a ratio. Then should draw that triangle A, B, C. Angle A. Cot A equal to 4 by 3. Cot A means what? Adjacent side by opposite side. What is the adjacent side of angle A? AB. AB by opposite side BC. AB by BC equal to 4 by 3. That means AB is to BC equal to 4 is to 3. Multiply a positive number. Then AB equal to 4K, BC equal to 3K. AB equal to 4K, BC equal to 3K. By Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the value of AC or length of AC. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square equal to AB square 4K whole square plus BC square 3K whole square. 4K whole square equal to what? AC square equal to 16K square plus 9K square equal to 25K square. Therefore, AC equal to root of 25K. Root of 25K square. Root of 25K square plus or minus 5K. The length of AC always positive. Then AC equal to 5K. Cannot be negative. AC cannot be negative. AC equal to 5K. Left hand side, 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Cot A equal to 4 by 3. Cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. Therefore, tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Tan A equal to 3 by 4. Substitute in it 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square equal to 1 minus 9 by 16 by 1 plus 9 by 16 equal to 16 minus 9 by 16 divided by 16 plus 9 by 16. Take the LCM. Okay, 1 minus 9 by 16. Take the LCM, 16 minus 9 by 16. Here also the same thing, 16 plus 9 by 16. What is 16 minus 9? Equal to 7. 7 by 16 whole divided by 16 plus 9, 25 by 16 equal to 7 by 16. And take the reciprocal, 16 by 16 by 25. Cancel 16 and 16. 7 by 25. What is the value of LHS? 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A equal to 7 by 25. Next we calculate cos square RHS equal to cos square A minus sin square A. What is the cos square? Cos A. Cos A whole square is cos square A. Cos A means what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of angle A is AB by AC. That means 4K by 5K whole square minus sin square A. Sin square A means sin A whole square. That means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC, hypotenuse AC. 3K by 5K whole square. 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25 equal to 7 by 25. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A equal to 7 by 25. Cos square A minus sin square A equal to, simplify this, 7 by 25 answer. Then both are answer correct. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Let's take question number 9. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. If tan A equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Second one, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. First we draw the figure. A, B, C. Angle B equal to 90 degree. Tan A equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A means what? Opposite side divided by adjacent side. A is acute angle. Opposite side of angle A is BC. BC by adjacent side AB equal to 1 by root 3. This is a ratio. BC is to AB equal to 1 is to root 3. Therefore, BC equal to 1K. That means K. 1K represent what? K enough. AB equal to root 3K. BC equal to K. AB equal to root 3K. We have to find out AC. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AB square? Root 3K whole square plus BC square, K square. 3K square plus K square. 3K square plus K square equal to 4K square. Therefore, AC equal to root 4K square equal to 2K. AC equal to 2K. What is the first question? First one, sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. What is sin A? Sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. BC by AC. BC by AC equal to, what is BC? K by 2K equal to 1 by 2. BC by AC equal to K by K upon 2K equal to 1 upon 2. Next check cos A. Cos A equal to what? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That means AB by AC equal to, AB equal to root 3K divided by 2K equal to root 3 by 2. Next cos C. Cos C equal to, cos C, this is angle C. Cos C equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side of angle C? BC by AC. BC by AC equal to, what is BC? K by 2K equal to 1 by 2. Next is sin C. Sin C, opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of angle C? Root 3K. Root 3K means AB by AC. AB by AC equal to root 3K divided by 2K equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. Substitute in the square. What is the sin A? Sin A equal to 1 by 2. Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Sin A equal to 1 by 2 into cos C equal to 1 by 2 plus cos A equal to root 3 by 2 into sin C equal to root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4. Same denominator, you add the numerator, 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. Second one, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Cos A equal to what? Root 3 by 2 into cos C 1 by 2 minus sin A 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 into 1, root 3 by 4 minus here 1 into root 3, root 3 by 4 equal to 0. Cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C, root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2, root 3 into 1, root 3, 2 into 2, 4, root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 equal to 0. Next one, in triangle PQR, right angle HQ, PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeter and PQ equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. First we draw a triangle PQR. Angle Q equal to 90 degree. Okay, PQ equal to 5 centimeter. PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeter. From this equation you can write it QR equal to 25 minus PR. Okay, 25 minus PR. How can you find out the value of PR? By Pythagoras theorem, you can write it by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to PR square equal to base square plus altitude square. 25 minus PR whole square, base square, base means QR, 25 minus PR whole square plus 5 centimeter square and 5 square. PR square equal to, this is the identity form, A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square means what? A square plus 2AB plus B square. It means 625 minus 2 into 25 into PR. That means 50 PR plus PR square plus 25. You can cancel PR square and PR square. 625 plus 25, 650. Okay, PR square and PR square you can cancel. Then 625 plus 25 equals 650. 650 equal minus 50 PR. Then here 625 minus 50 PR plus 25 equal to 0. Okay. and minus 50 PR equal to negative 650. PR equal to negative 650 divided by negative 50. 0 and 0 cancel, negative sign cancel. Next one, what's it? 30. 13 centimeter. One more times I will explain. PR plus QR equal to 25. Already given that 25 centimeter. Then QR equal to 25 minus PR. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. PR square equal to 625 minus 50 PR plus PR square. PR square means here A minus B whole square, identity form. Okay, A square minus 2AB plus B square plus 25. Then PR square and PR square cancel. 625 minus 50 PR plus 25 equal to 0. 625 negative 50 PR. 625 plus 25 650. Transposing method, negative 650. Okay, PR equal to negative 650 divided by negative 50 equal to 13 centimeter. PR equal to 13 centimeter. Therefore, QR equal to 25 minus PR equal to 25 minus PR equal to 13 centimeter equal to 12 centimeter. PR equal to 12 centimeter. Next, calculate the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. What is sin P? Sin P equal to, this is the angle P, sin P equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that means QR by PR, QR by PR, QR equal to 12 by PR, PR equal to 13, cos P equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that means PQ by PR, PQ equal to 5 by PR 30. Next, tan P equal to opposite side by, tan P equal to opposite side by adjacent side, QR by PQ, QR by PQ equal to QR 12 centimeter, PQ 5 centimeter. First calculate what hypotenuse, then you can calculate QR. After that, sin P, cos P and tan P. Sin P equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, cos P equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan P equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Homework, exercise 8.1, question number 3, 5, 11.